Greedy doctor, 5G radiation. Corona cases were increasing day by day at Vasant Kunj area of Delhi. Dr. Vikas Hospital was the nearest hospital of that area. So most of the people used to get admitted at this hospital for treatment. Without any proper test, Dr. Vikas used to declare every patient as corona patients. Sir, we didn't took any corona test of that patient and you said that he is corona positive?
You mind your own business. I have not opened this hospital for charity. If I don't do this, then it will be difficult to even pay your salary.
Sir, but how will he afford such a costly treatment?
It's his problem. You go and do your job. Don't poke your nose into my business.
The nurse knew very well that whatever was happening was wrong, but she was quiet because of her family responsibilities and job. Next day, a reporter named John, who was having breathing problem, reached his hospital for treatment.
Listen, you are corona positive. Get admitted today, or else you will be in deep trouble. Okay, doctor. I'll get admitted today itself.
John got admitted the very day. For next 6-7 days, he was getting treatment and proper diet, and his breathing problem minimized.
I guess in my body, corona antibodies are getting developed. Thank God. I will get well soon.
After 8 days treatment, John was feeling too well.
See, you are alright now. You can go home soon.
John was very happy hearing this. The very day he was discharged from the hospital. On reaching home, he had a warm welcome from his family. For 2-3 days, everything was normal. Then suddenly, one night, he started having breathing problems.
Why is this happening? I thought antibodies are fighting in my body.
John's parents were very tensed because of this. His mother was crying on and on. Then John called up his friend.
Hello, bro. My situation is getting bad. Wait, I'm coming home.
At midnight hours, David reached John's house. Then David, along with John and his parents, reached another hospital for treatment.
Son, but John's treatment was already going on in Vikas Hospital.
I know, uncle, but something is fishy. Once the antibodies are developed, corona doesn't come so easily. That's why we have come here.
David knew a doctor from this hospital whom he showed all the medical reports of John. Doctor brought an antibody kit. The result of the antibody kit was negative.
In his body, no antibodies have developed.
How is this possible? Then how did he recover from corona?
He was never corona positive.
What?
I need to do some more tests. Then only I can say what is he suffering from.
Then doctor took some blood test and x-rays of John.
I am sorry to say, but your previous doctor fooled you. You were never corona positive. You just have a side effect of 5G radiation.
What?
I guess there is a 5G tower near your house. This is because of that.
John and David were shocked hearing this. Both understood that Dr. Vikas was making fool of patients and earning money. Then, both decided to teach Dr. Vikas a lifetime lesson. Both went to the channel office where both worked. Over there, they said everything to their reporter friend Megha. Now, what should we do?
I have seen a vacancy in that hospital. A vacancy for the nurse.
Perfect. You go there for an interview. And yes, you dress up like a hot nurse so that Vikas can't say a no to you for the job. Once you get the job, we will do a sting operation and we'll shut the hospital. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Next day, Megha took a get-up of nurse and went for job interview. After seeing Megha, Dr. Vikas was perplexed. And this made sure that Megha would get the job. And this happened.
Megha, you can join from tomorrow.
Thank you, doctor.
Anytime.
Next day, John and David were sitting inside the van. Megha enters the hospital in nurse costume. There was a hidden camera on button of Megha's dress which was recording everything. Megha directly went to head nurse.
Hello, ma'am. I'm new here. I'm joining from today.
Yes, Dr. Vikas told me about you. Come along with me. I will guide you about your work. Then head nurse took Megha to Corona ward.
But we aren't wearing PPE kit. we can have corona.
Nothing will happen
How come?
because none of these are suffering from corona.
What?
Yes, they are suffering from 5G radiation.
Then why are they admitted here?
It's Doctor's Vikas order.
Okay then.
After that, Megha started giving medicines to the patient admitted there. It was around 12 noon when Dr. Vikas reached the hospital.
Megha, come into my cabin.
Yes, sir.
Megha came to Dr. Vikas' cabin.
See, Megha, you might have figured out till now that there is not a single corona patient in here.
Yes, sir. I know that. But I have to do my job.
Very good. You will go very far in life. I had expected this only from you. You know, it's not a child's play to run such a big hospital, huh? Do you think if I tell these patients that they have 5G radiation side effects, would they give me money? No. That's why I told them they have corona. Once they listen to corona, they spend a lot of money. And what to do? It's nothing personal, it's only business.
Yes, sir. Now Megha, John and David had all the information they needed. Above all, they have Dr. Vikas' statement. Megha came to the van parked opposite the hospital. From there, they went to the channel office. And the news was telecasted.
Today's breaking news. Medical scam going at Dr. Vikas Hospital. Dr. Vikas is earning handsome money declaring any patient as corona patient. Have a look. Dr. Vikas has been caught up red-handed in our sting operation.
You know, it's not a child's play to run such a big hospital, huh? Do you think if I tell these patients that they have 5G radiation side effects, would they give me money? No. That's why I told them they have corona. Once they listen to corona, they spend a lot of money. And what to do? It's nothing personal, it's only business.
Have a look at the bitter truth of a doctor.
And what to do? It's nothing personal, it's only business. And what to do? It's nothing personal, it's only business.
This is a disgrace on the profession of doctor. Our three efficient reporters have brought down the curtain of this doctor. They are Megha, John and David.
After telecast of this news, police arrested Dr. Vikas. And Dr. Vikas Hospital was sealed. Even government removed the 5G towers. Due to this, the health condition of the resident of Vasant Kunj became normal.
The moral of this story is that we came to know there are many doctors like this who disgrace the profession of doctor. This type of doctor should be sent to jail. Like, share and subscribe. Kabu